Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 17a, in which we'll practice the makhraj of kha. We are learning makharij using letter poem, and every letter has fatha in it. So let us start. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip, and these 12 are very useful when we learn the rules of huruf shamsi and qamari, and also rules of noon sakina, which is very important. So repeat after me. Tha, the, dha, ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From its middle are ja, sha, ya. From its edges are da, ka, and qa. And 6 from the throat. Remember, these 6 are very important. A, ha, a, ha, and gha, kha. We are now in the letter kha. Remember, throat letters are coming from down towards upper side. Okay, a, ha from the lower side of the throat, and a, ha from the middle of the throat, and gha, kha from the upper part of the throat. So from the upper part of the throat we have kha. Okay, kha. Remember, it is not thin. It's a thick and high letter. Isti'la letter. Okay, thick and high. So don't say kha. It is kha. Kha. Okay. Similarly, akh, not akh. 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 Okay. And note the sequence. Upper part of the throat, kha. If you go higher up towards the mouth side, it will be qa, qa, qa. They are different. And if you go outside further, it will be ka. Okay, that's interesting. Common mistakes are, again, as we said it, don't recite it thin. It's a thick and high sounding letter like kha. So let us practice. Remember, it is akh. It is not akh. Repeat 3 times. Akh, 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 akh. And kha. It is not kha. Kha. Repeat. Kha, khi, ho. Kha, khi, ho. Kha, khi, ho. Kha, khi, ho. Thickness is there, thickness and highness is there everywhere, whether it has kasra or dhamma, but it is more pronounced when it is kha, okay, or akh, and so on. Khan, khin, khun. Khan, khin, khun. Khan, khin, khun. Khan, khin, khun. Let's take some words now. Akhraja. It is not akhraja. Akh. Similarly, ra is thick. Akhraja. 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 Khalaqa. 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 Khilafin. 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 Khusrin. 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 That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.